Located in southwestern Los Angeles County, Inglewood is a city on the rise. With major developments like SoFi Stadium, a growing hospitality sector, and a strong presence of local entrepreneurs, Inglewood blends community-driven business with big opportunity. But even with all the energy and growth, many local business owners still find it difficult to access the capital they need, especially when traditional lenders require long applications, high credit scores, and weeks of waiting. At New York Fast Funding, we offer a more direct path. If your business has been operating for at least 6 months and earns $10,000 or more per month, you may qualify for fast working capital with no hard credit checks and no unnecessary delays. Whether you're preparing for an event, expanding staff, or simply managing growing demand, we help Inglewood business owners move forward with funding that respects your timeline. In a city that's building fast, your financing should never slow you down. Apply now at New York Fast Funding.